In this video, we're going to go over what WordPress is. WordPress is a powerful free content management system, otherwise known as CMS, that allows you to create business websites, blogs, e-commerce web shops, and much more. WordPress was created in 2003 as a blogging tool, but has since grown to be a full-featured, powerful website creation tool used by millions of individuals, organizations, and businesses around the world. Some users of WordPress include Google, Coca-Cola, Sony, the New York Times, Harvard, and many others. WordPress is an open source project, meaning that there's a large, thriving community of people working on its continued development. And as with all open source projects, the full-featured, powerful software is completely free. Along with the core tools, there are thousands of plugins, both free and premium, that greatly extend the functionality of WordPress, so you can accomplish even more with your website. The powerful templating system means there are thousands of quality templates, also known as themes, both free and premium, that you can use to change the design and general look of your website. You can also develop custom themes, plugins, content types, and much more. And with the self-hosted option, you can create a wide range of extremely functional websites for just about any industry or need. And because of WordPress's solid foundation and adherence to web standards, it does a great job of search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, right out of the box, which just basically means it helps with your search rankings, which helps your audience find you. Along with the head start the system gives you, there are tons of high-quality free plugins that can further help with your search rankings. WordPress offers businesses, individuals, and organizations a great way to create professional websites, easily control content, perform well in search engines, and engage with their audiences. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on a quick look at what WordPress is. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.